How to fix Boo dating app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing some problems in the Boo dating app, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open up settings, then tap on the apps option. Now a list of all the applications installed on your device will be displayed. You want to scroll down and find the Boo dating app. Tap on that. Now tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all of the application's data. Once that is done, you want to open the Boo application, log into your account and check if your application is working properly. If it is still not working, then the next thing you want to do is check if your application is updated. For that, you want to open Play Store or App Store. Now search for Boo app. Here, see if you have the update button. If you do, tap on that. Once you do that, the downloading will begin. After it has been completed, your application will be fully updated. Once your application has been updated, any glitches or bugs will be fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall the application. After you've uninstalled that, reinstall it using Play Store or App Store. And after the reinstallation is completed, open the app and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.